How's it going, guys? The journey of developing your garage as a woodworker is something that is ever expanding, in my opinion. There's always little things you could do to tweak projects and make your garage better and more functional. Today, what we're going to do is a perfect example of one of those projects. Years ago, I built these handy cabinets here. Now, as you can tell, it's not the most organized, but it works well. It serves all my needs very good in this garage. One problem when I built it is I didn't make the shelf spacing tall enough to put tubes of caulk in here. So I've had tubes of caulk I've had to lay sideways in here. They come rolling out or set up top. Today we're going to resolve that issue. What we're going to do is we're going to make a caulk holder that'll go on the wall that everything could sit in. Also, another issue I've had is having spools of electrical wire, speaker wire, string, rope, anything like that comes on a spool. I don't have a good place to store it. It takes a valuable space, and that's something that I want to use for more paint and things like that. So today we have a project that's going to accomplish that. Store the caulk as well as spools. One of the best tools I've found to design projects, which has always been an issue, is using the SketchUp program. It's free and easy to download. And as you can see here, this is going to be the plan of what we're going to make. I designed it in 3D. And in the back, you can see the measurements. I'll have those available on my website, and I'm going to put a link to that in the bottom. Let's get started. Well, there it is, guys. It's all clean. The problem that I originally had with the cabinets that I built of not being able to store spools or caulk tubes, I was able to resolve it by building something to store it in. That's one of the amazing things about woodworking, is it teaches you self-reliance, so you're able to resolve your own problems and adapt your garage as necessary. You gain these skills to design things and whatnot through doing projects like I just did with you guys today. This project allowed me to clear up a lot of the storage space in here and resolve that problem that I had. A matter of fact, all this is clear now. I don't have spools stacked up. It allows me to have extra room to put my spray paints at, and it allowed me to organize everything a lot more. As a quick tip to you guys, one thing I've learned over many years of trying to keep my garage organized is, to have a spot for everything. If you see what I did, rather than writing, because my handwriting is atrocious, I went and I used a label maker and I labeled everything into specific areas so it's nice and organized. When I need to go into my cabinet and get something, I'm able to do it. Either way, I don't mean to digress, guys. Thanks very much for watching. I appreciate any likes or any subscriptions you guys would like to throw my way. I look forward to seeing you guys again, and have a great day.